this is Ep.25 here with this Skyblock story I will destroy. I know that some people really like this series, but I'm ending it because I totally messed up or fucked up. Because I could say, like, you know that spot that I broke the villager thing, but I decided to not try, and I'll make another Skyblock series if you guys would like ask me to, or just leave a like in video if you want to, because it would mean lots to me that you guys really want more of my series of Skyblocks. I'm just gonna blow up this map. That's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Apparently this map really likes me when I fall, and I just put it on HD now, so I just hope you guys like the videos when they're HD. And now it's full screen, so could be kind of cool. Cause I was watching Captain Sparkle's videos, and he did a Skyblock series, a normal one, and I was like, I don't know if I should try it. Oh, and by the way, in that chest there was string. See? I'll probably like just blow up my whole map and like probably crash. Okay, so yeah, my sister right now is waked up, so. And why is this kind of glitch on my screen? I don't really like that. So yeah, let's blow this up. Hoping in my head that it glitched and all that. So yeah, this video is gonna be long because I'm gonna blow up the map. So just put this up, put this up, put this up, put this up. So we're gonna end the series of Skyblock Survival. And right now I'm doing Floating Island series, and the video is gonna be is up, so I just hope you guys will like it. So this is now the map. TNT proof. Let's do this. Oh god. Hey, everything blew up. Lol. Wow, everything's like blew up. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, or not, cause I'm just gonna blow up that part. There you go. And yeah, this was the blow up session of Skyblock. So yeah, and changed a little bit my skin, put new hair, cause I found out my hair was girl's hair. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoy, and peace out to all you Minecrafters.